Hey guys, I'm John from Legacy Woodworking Machinery, and today I'm going to be working on the joining system. I'm going to be doing something a little bit out of the ordinary. I'm going to use a 10 by 10 piece of ash here that I'm working on for a pedestal table. We're going to recess out to carry this, which is going to, of course, carry my granite tabletop. It's going to set right here. So I'm going to show you how to use the vertical table to do something bigger than it will actually carry. So let's go get to work. All right, let's take a look at this. You'll notice here, it doesn't quite fit, but in actuality, my lines are perfect. The problem is that we have a little bit of space here where the welding happened. So we're gonna go ahead and just clean up that and account for a little bit of welding that we didn't account for in our original artwork. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for a lot more really cool content, and check out our website at legacywoodworking.com. Can't wait to see you guys in the next one. Take care.